Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change camera FOV in Forza Horizon 6. So first open the pause menu. After that we need to select settings, then go over to video settings, scroll down here until you find cams FOV. Under it we have different types of FOVs such as chase cam, far chase cam, driver cam. So select the cam you want to change the FOV for. So let's say I want to change FOV for chase cam, then I just need to select it. Now instead of changing the FOV from here, I recommend you to select this live preview option under description so that we don't blindly change our FOV. So let's say I want to change dashboard, then I just need to select it from here, then press the live preview button, which is backspace in my case. After that it will show you the live preview and you can adjust the FOV from here. If I want to change the chase cam FOV, then I need to select it from here, then press the live preview button and then you can adjust the FOV like this, and then press escape key to go back from here and save from bottom. After that if I go back to my game, you can see the FOV has been changed successfully. Hope this helps. If it did, like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.